how's it going? Today we're doing a boat.
Wait, like
we made this
Eiffel
boat
Tower style, or we're doing a boat?
2 days earlier.
I'll hit it from the back.
1 day earlier, but it sounds more dramatic.
That's the front.
Boys, I got a challenge for us.
Okay.
Craigslist boat challenge. Can we make a boat from Craigslist stuff?
No,
What do you think?
not in the spirit of the competition.
What do you mean?
Spirit of the challenge. It's a little, it's just a boat.
Yeah,
I thought we were supposed to build a boat.
it's only $58,000.
Does it have Apple CarPlay?
Probably, honestly. I'm thinking we need barrels
Barrels.
to make like pontoons, and then a hunk of wood to put on top of it. $1.
Nice.
5-gallon food-grade barrels with locking lids. $3 to $35. That's a big price range. $0. Just take them.
Yep, probably.
Probably just out on the
Outside of the
street.
road.
I guarantee you, it's out on the street, and it says if it's still there, it's there. Yeah.
We're gonna go to Hard
These
Rock.
could be there, they might not be there. But I say we go and we see if they're there.
Ho ho! Before we continue with today's video, I'm just out here sailing with Tyler in the open seas. You're only a few steps away from making money with Opinion Outpost today, with minimal effort. My favorite. I don't like effort. It's super simple. The more surveys you complete, the more money you make. And if there's anything as a pirate, it's money that I like. Also, the more surveys you complete, the more entries you get towards their $10,000 cash draw. So sign up for Opinion Outpost today by clicking the link in the description. Supporting our sponsors helps support this shitty YouTube channel so we can keep doing stuff like this. Whatever this is. The surveys are extremely simple. If you know how to answer multiple choice questions, you can pretty much do it. You can fill out surveys while you're on your way to school or work or sailing the high seas like I am. So why not go ahead and make some extra money? Isn't that right, Tyler? Why is Tyler not in my boat? It's almost like this isn't a boat. It's just a green screen in my bathtub and I look like a goddamn idiot. That's right. Thank you, Opinion Outpost, and good night. We're coming up on it. If there aren't pallets, I say we go inside and murder the entire family.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh, 1 pallet.
No!
Oh, 2 pallets.
2 pallets, that's enough. That's exactly what we needed, 2 pallets.
I injured myself.
Yep.
You think that's the guy who owns these pallets?
Probably. Like, oh, thank God those pallets are
We should
gone.
get the fuck out of here then.
I thought they were free.
Run.
I thought they were free.
Is this dangerous?
No, you can Craigslist. Look, all the laws are against texting.
Cops do it. Cops
Yeah.
do it all the time. I don't know, what do I text? Like, he has a picture of a pile of like 400 barrels. So I can't exactly ask like, do you have any barrels left? I'll just ask if we can come by and get some barrels.
Hey, we're gonna get
Couple
woke with some
barrels.
barrels. Ask him if we can peruse his wares.
Barrels. What? He only has barrels. Okay, so pallets, barrels, yellow paint, toxic waste stickers. We can paint that with black paint though.
Yeah.
Do we need to get the paint from Craigslist?
Well,
Fuck's sake.
we can look. It is a Craigslist boat challenge, which means we'd also have to pick up some painter's tape if we're gonna do the logo.
He hasn't texted back yet. He must not be serious about selling barrels. You know what? Who is a motivated seller?
Who's that?
ODSmerch.com.
Oh, ODS merch stuff.
You can get your merch at ODSmerch.com.
It probably comes in red. I'm not wearing it.
This is our newer design. Good design.
Newer?
It's newish.
Newish.
It's like only been a month old. I wear this shirt all the time. It's starting to smell.
Yeah,
As you can tell.
I've been meaning to talk to you about that.
It's a good shirt.
It's not a good smell.
Is this the type of YouTube content people are waiting for? Tyler, you're not gonna like this. It's just south of Austin from us.
Oh, okay. Just south of Boston. Yeah. Last time you said that we went to fucking San Antonio.
It's only an hour away.
A fucking hour?
That's the only barrels in town, dude. Well, not in town. Only barrels near town.
Can we go to that hardware store and get some barrels?
No, they don't sell barrels.
Are we there yet?
This is close.
Oh God. Can we not? Hey, have a truck like Tyler.
It was a business.
Frontier Life?
I don't think this is the right place.
Keep going a little bit further.
Said it was a business.
We should go to the next
Said
one.
they had hours and everything. Let me
Hey.
figure out if I went to the right one.
They have black cocks.
So
Did we go in the hour in the wrong direction?
I went to the other location they have that he told me not to go to. So this one is 25 minutes back towards.
We driving in the wrong direction.
We're here, and this one's up here towards Austin. It was closer.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm not getting out of my car. Oh God, they're getting out of the fence!
Oh, there's like 4
Oh, you need your keys.
Did you throw them out there?
In the ditch.
He's a dog.
That one.
Don't call for him. There's my drag.
Oh,
sexy.
there he goes.
really turns her on when she's staring at me while I'm chugging along.
Oh my god! The camera angle's gonna be real good on this road. I can't hold it steady.
Hold her steady. Hold her steady. Hold her steady.
Jesus Christ! Woo.
That's Barrel Man. Open.
Hey, look, store hours.
Where do I go?
Probably straight into the barn.
I don't know them that well.
You can't just pull straight into someone's
Well,
barn.
just don't pull into his daughter. That's all you need to worry about.
Hopefully they take debit. I didn't bring any cash.
We get the stuff.
I told us get the fuck out, don't ever come back.
It's really funny. I can move your fat head. All right, how much you pay for those barrels?
It's 25 bucks a piece.
That's it?
Yeah, 50 bucks total. Well, I gotta pay for it now. Or we can just leave.
Or
I think we got everything we need, Tyler.
how much was it?
I already told you, it's $25 a barrel. Anyways, let's go home, let's build this boat, and then we'll take it out on the open ocean. Does it feel like it floats?
Oh, it'll float. It'll float. Dibs on this one.
They're going on the same boat.
Yeah.
Jesus, there's a car there.
American made, it's made of steel.
Really?
No.
Wait, I want to do it.
She's good. Can we do it with your truck now?
Yep. Japanese made.
Get over it.
Was this here before?
I don't know.
Probably. I don't know. That might be against HOA.
Alright, let's get to work.
Oh, I got that cold start.
Good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. And stop.
Wait, keep going.
Get to work.
I'm digging that now. It smells so bad.
This one's good to go.
Yeah. Stop. Wait, what? What is that?
It's oh yeah.
We didn't get that from Craigslist.
Okay, what are we gonna do about that? Go get more Craigslist? It's 5 o'clock, traffic's probably pretty.
Take a picture of it and
Okay.
put it on Craigslist, and I'll buy it from you. All right. Is it an antique, an appliance, ATV? What
Antique,
category?
antique.
Antique?
Yeah, it's definitely an antique.
Hatchet strap.
Yep.
Why is there 2 E's?
I'll do Texas Beach, and you just say what you want the ad to be.
Hello, this is free ratchet strap. If you would like ratchet strap, come to house and pick up ratchet strap.
It's not free though.
For,
It's $8,000.
for free, you can get
No.
$8,000 worth of ratchet strap.
Hello, this is free ratchet strap. If you would like ratchet strap, come to house and pick up later. Hello, this is free ratchet strap. If you like ratchet strap, come to house and pick up line. Hello, this is free ratchet strap.
Just repeat it.
It says it over and over.
Alright, we'll post.
Oh, damn it didn't. You have to say it again.
Strap, come to free house for ratchet strap. You get $8,000.
Oh, it doesn't do it. What the fuck?
Oh well.
I'll just put okay.
Hello, thank you for calling Sex Hotline. How can I help you?
Calling about the ratchet straps, the 2 ratchet straps.
Oh yes, the 2 ratchet straps, they are free but will cost you $8,000.
I've only got 1,500.
That will work.
Where can we meet you?
Yes, you can meet me right now.
Where?
What?
What? This is the dumbest thing ever. Give me the ratchet straps. Here's
Even
your-
the dollars.
Yeah, there you go.
Did you just put that in your bra?
You're the
I
expert.
don't know.
Your dot, flower kind of line.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going well. I think me and Tyler are a good team. I think we've got this.
Hey Reese, you got any of them toxic masks? It's okay if I spray towards your car, right?
No!
I mean, they're not as terrible as I thought you were gonna fuck them up.
Honestly, yeah, no. They're bad, but they're not as bad as I thought they were gonna be.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm doing
I got
touch-ups.
Not you,
I got
it
it
over there.
But I
I'm
got.
doing touch-ups.
I got it.
I don't trust Joey, can you?
Got it.
God damn it, now I have to fit through that again. Splinter infested.
You trusted me.
He didn't. He explicitly said I don't trust Joey. Should I go put on my swimsuit?
We're not going under. Have confidence.
Should I go put on my swimsuit?
I think you should go get every electronic you have and just keep it on you.
That's perfect.
This is amazing.
That'll work.
She's stable.
This was actually.
It's on concrete.
I don't see this being a problem at all when we get in the water and
Nope.
tipping over.
Nope, it's super steady. Look at it. You can't even kick it over.
Whoa!
It was
Did you see it?
I caught it on
That
camera.
was definitely underpowered. Can I try one?
Yeah, sure.
You're just gonna draw a penis. I was wrong. You drew 3 penises.
That looks good to me.
That looks right.
Why is your balls leaking?
What do you see?
I don't know, ask her.
It's just us.
See, with this kind of boat, it's so much easier to load into the trailer. Look how easy that is.
Here's a paddle.
That is very splintery.
Yeah, I'll get something to wrap it.
That's not from Craigslist.
Reese, I got this from the pallet.
That's not from Craigslist.
I'll post on Craigslist.
Okay, yeah.
We're not doing this again.
How much do you want to sell this one for?
$17,000. That's a high quality paddle.
I only have 1,500 again.
That'll work.
That's not cool, man. Damn it. I need 2.
No, I got that one.
We're here.
Yep.
Lake Jack Nolan.
What?
We're gonna be cruising in the ocean. That's the specific ocean right there. That specific one. Come on, pirate.
Wait, my paddle.
Got my swim trunks and my flippy floppies. Am I the only one getting exhausted here?
This camera's kind of heavy.
Direct us, Joey. Which way are we going?
Behind you.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, the tide come in. Woo! Please. Yes. Bury me. Whoa there, Captain.
What?
I am the captain of this boat.
All right, what are we gonna do, Captain?
I'm gonna go in first.
$10 says they tip.
Oh, scurvy dog pushed me in.
Oi, oi, Captain. Oh, it's very front heavy.
Yeah, because I'm
Yeah.
I don't want to go in the water.
Ooh, me neither.
It's very cold.
I'm still holding on.
You were going under.
You want to do it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Pull me back in. You get on, I'll launch you full speed into the ocean. You're gonna surf? You're going down, boat. Going down. You're so fat.
Yep.
Still holding.
So it tipped.
There we go. Fixed it.
Let's try the laying down method.
Did it, Tyler.
100%. Perfect.
We did it. I feel pretty stable like this.
All right, I'm gonna push you out.
Shift your dick forward.
My giant cock is way out. Are you ready? I'm ready. We did it. You're drifting out to sea. See you later. Wait. Bye. The boats are kicking out waves.
Oh, I'm doing that?
No, the other boat.
Oh, I thought I was doing that.
No, they've got no consideration for your life. He's gonna die though, right?
Hopefully.
It's more stable, eh?
It is a lot more stable, actually.
Good. Why are you going this way? Go that way.
No, I'm good. I'd like to not tip over in Lake Placid.
But you haven't made it to the other side yet.
The side of the fucking lake.
I found a pipe bomb.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know, it's a pipe
Joey's
bomb.
got a bomb. He just dropped it on the ground. I feel so violent.
Not even got feel.
Quality. Quality.
Okay. I'm gonna slide off.
Pull yourself up.
Oh, that worked for knee deep.
You're
That's me not helping. No!
thumbnail.
I think we're getting the hang of it.
Alright, good poon. Oh, yeah, no, not around here. No poon around here? Nope. Oh, these are the boondocks.
No. The Boondocks.
Oh, boondocks.
Yeah, we're the Boondock Saints.
I thought you were the boondock tanks. I think we failed.
No shit.
As flotation devices, they're wonderful.
Passed up.
Alright, the other one. There you go, buddy.
It works!
Alright, now I'm gonna sit in the middle.
No! It was a better idea on paper. Next time.
Next time.
I'll be there, Tyler.
Hang on, you bitch!
He is flying by at an astronomical rate.